Третий класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, домашнее задание. Пойдем и попробуем удачу. Часть вторая, страница 31, 32, 33. English, Starlight 3. Let us go and try our luck. Homework part number 2. Page number 31, 32, 33. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I am so glad to meet you. Thank you. I am glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 31, 31, in the old house. Exercise number 4. Complete the conversation. What does Julia say to Alex? Take roles and act out. Закончите беседу. Что Джули говорит Алексу? Возьмите роли и разыграйте. The answer. Hello. Hi, Julie. Where are you? I'm in my new flat. New flat? Where is it? It's in Broad Street. What's the flat like? Is it big? Well, there are 2 bedrooms. One for my mom and dad and one for me. A bathroom, a living room and a kitchen. What about your bedroom? Do you like it? Oh, yes. There is a big wardrobe. I can put all my clothes there. Well, it sounds great. When can I come and see it? Whenever you want. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 5. Complete Derek's description of his bedroom. Завершите описание Дереком его спальни. The answer. My room by Derek. In my room, there's a bed, of course, a desk and a TV. On my desk, there is a computer and some books. I've got a radio next to my bed. I sometimes listen to music. There's a blue carpet on the floor and a picture of my grandfather on the wall. There aren't any chairs in my room. I've got 2 big cushions on the floor. When my friends come, we sit on them. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 32. 32. Сивка-бурка. Listen, point to the pictures and say the words. Послушайте, показывайте на картинке и произносите слова. Comb, put on, wave, loud shout. Listen and read the story. Послушайте и прочтите историю. The brothers hear about the contest and they decide to go. Let us go and try our luck, says Andrei. Brothers, take me with you to try my luck too, says Ivanushka. Stay here, silly boy, says Sergei. You can't come with us. The brothers comb their hair and put on their best clothes. They wave their hats in the air, give a loud shout, and ride off on their horses. And so the two brothers go to the contest and leave Ivanushka with his father. Ivanushka goes into the wheat field. Sivka, Burka, come. He cries 3 times. There is a sound of thunder, and in a second Sivka Burka is standing next to Ivanushka. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 33. Story learned. Exercise number 1. Read the story again and write who says the sentences. Прочтите историю еще раз и скажите, кто произносит предложение. Let us go and try our luck. Brothers, take me with you to try my luck too. Stay here, silly boy. Sivka, Burka, come. The answer. Number 1, Andrei. Number 2, Ivanushka. Number 3, Sergey. Number 4, Ivanushka. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Let's sing. Давайте петь. Sivka, Burka. Call for Sivka, Burka. Call for Sivka, Burka. Call for Sivka, Burka now. Sivka, Burka. Come here, Sivka, Burka. Come here, Sivka, Burka. Sivka, Burka, please come. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.